We are off to a fresh week of market action. Let's bring in Dan Deming at KKM. Dan, the market is coming off a record week last week. What are your keys to watch this week?
Angie, this week, I think the three key components are, number one, Fed speak. We have a lot of Fed speak throughout the week, so that's going to be an impact into the marketplace. Second, data points highlighted by the PCE data, the preferred measure of inflation for the Fed at the end of the week. And then the third thing is market momentum. We saw a big week last week, a reaction to the Fed announcement, but Friday, a little bit of a fade. So I think, when we start this week off, it'll be incumbent upon the market to maintain the upward momentum. And I also want to look at that NASDAQ. The NASDAQ has not taken out to July highs, even though the Dow and the S&P did last week. So the NASDAQ is lagging. So that's something to keep an eye on as we move through the week.
Absolutely. Traders say they are watching for some upward conviction coming from the NASDAQ and the Russell small caps to confirm the rally is a go.
Yes, for sure. And especially with rates moving lower, but they definitely would like to see more conviction from the Russell because in theory, lower rates should benefit the small caps.
What else needs to happen here so that it's convincing this rally has legs?
Well, I think, Angie, when you look at this week, the momentum is key to this market. And, we've had two of the major averages go to new highs last week, but the lagging factor of the NASDAQ and the Russell is something that's going to take some time. But as long as we don't see a significant give back of last week's strength, I think as we're able to hold the line here this week, that would be a short-term positive. Couple that with we're coming out of expiration week, a big expiration week, and so that is another impact in the market that could drive prices either higher or lower depending on repositioning.
Thank you, Dan. Have a great week.
Thanks, Angie. Thanks for having me.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.